I will show you how to get the maximum value from your Amex Gold Card. Hey everyone, I'm Andy from Twin Finances, a channel where we talk about everything from credit cards to personal finance. The Amex Gold Card is an amazing card, especially if you know how to take full advantage of all of its benefits. The first benefit is getting the sign-up bonus. The sign-up bonus is something that everyone gets when they sign up for the card, and it can range anywhere from 60,000 points all the way up to 100,000 points. For example, when I got my Amex Gold, I managed to get a sign-up bonus of 90,000 points. To actually get these points, you have to spend at least $6,000 in the first 6 months of you getting the card. So as soon as I got my Amex Gold, I started using it immediately, and I was able to spend $6,000 within the 6-month limit in order to get my sign-up bonus. The next benefit that you need to take advantage of is the Resy Credit. Each year, you get $100 in Resy Credit, $50 for the first 6 months of the year, and then another $50 in the second 6 months of the year. The Resy Credit can be used at any Resy restaurant, which you can easily find by downloading the Resy app and browsing all of the restaurants on there. Once you find a Resy restaurant and pay the bill using your Amex Gold Card, a $50 Resy credit will be applied to your Amex Gold Card. If you want more info on how that works, I have another video on my channel that explains exactly how to use the Resy credit. The next benefit to take advantage of is the Uber credit. You will get $10 in Uber credit that you can use in Uber or Uber Eats. So if you use this credit every single month, that's $120 in value that you're getting for the entire year. The one downside of this credit is that it expires at the end of the current month if you don't end up using it. I personally use it on food, so at the beginning of the month, I would just go to Chipotle and get a free meal just using my credit. If you want to know the best way to use this Uber credit, I have another video on our channel that shows you exactly how to do that. The next benefit to take advantage of is the $10 dining credit. This credit works for Grubhub, the Cheesecake Factory, Goldbelly, Wine.com, and Five Guys. To use this $10 dining credit, you just need to enroll in the benefit, and then at any of these locations, once you use your card to pay, it will automatically apply the $10 credit. If you know you're not going to use the $10 credit in the current month, you can go to the physical locations of any of these stores and buy a gift card to apply the $10 credit. If you want more info about how to use this dining credit, we have another video on our channel that shows you exactly how to do that. The last benefit to take advantage of is the Dunkin Credit. Every month, you will get a $7 Dunkin Credit that you can use toward any Dunkin related purchases. If you're like me and you don't go to Dunkin very often, instead of spending the $7 on coffee or donuts, you can actually just load $7 worth of credit onto your Dunkin card. If you want to watch how this is done, we have another video on our channel that shows you exactly how to load the $7 credit onto your Dunkin card. And those are all the main benefits of the Amex Gold Card that you need to be taking advantage of to get the maximum value from the card.